Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check Roblox backup code, and all you have to do is to launch your Roblox application. From here, you're going to tap on the more option here. Then you're going to scroll down till you see settings, and you're going to tap on it. You're going to tap on security. From here, you're going to scroll down until you see here to receive unique security codes at your specified email. Going to double this on. They are going to tap on verify. From there, they're going to send you a code to your email address, and I'm going to write my code that they have sent me on my email address. And after you've verified your email, all you have to do is to tap on generate. And from here, you're going to screenshot all of these codes, or you can just tap on that one and then it's going to be saved. But the best way is to actually save them. So, in order for you to help you log into your Roblox in the case that you have forgotten your Roblox password. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.